This is how you dance.
Yes, not good. Would you mind taking care of them so we can save the nose?
Think of this. Good luck.
Follow us twice. Remember me? I'll draw his fire. You rescue the nose. You trust me to save the nose. Of course. Who wants them? Oh, Sherlock! Surely you didn't think it would be that easy to... You know what? You know, it just doesn't feel organic anymore. Look, I'm just going to smash you. Oh, this. The first couple lady. Oh, it's my favourite trick. It's chase. Some crackers. Look! It's a guy that's really
This is how you dance, y'all. Peace out for the next video.